guys, what's up? So I'm kind of excited about this video because I have never made a hair care video. So I'm kind of excited to share my products with you guys. Stay tuned. Hey. So a little bit of background on my hair. I have always had thin hair, like really thin. It's like, I feel like I have like 2 strands on my head. But my mom has thin hair, my dad has thin hair, we all have thin hair. But I don't want to lose any more. I want to just maintain what I have. So I've always done like hair mask or the eggs, the treatment that, you know, the at-home treatments. So sometimes I'll do an egg mask and literally take 2 eggs and beat them and put them on my head. Or I'll do the mayo on the bottom for some shine. I recently cut my ends. If you can see, it's kind of like blah, but they were just super dead. So I'll do mayo. I do my oil treatments, which we are about to get into. I just have to make sure I still had one of the oils there. So, okay, let's get into it. First off, shampoos. Now, I use a few shampoos. I wash my hair once every 2 days, maybe I wash my hair. So I do have very oily hair, which sucks because of my hair being thin, and then when it gets oily, it looks like I have like 2 strands on my head, you know? Looks like I have no hair. So I do wash my hair once every 2 days. Now, some of the shampoos I use are, I didn't grab that one, crap. There's 2. Okay, there's 2 I didn't grab. The way I wash my hair, it's just my personal preference. Guys, please don't come at me about this. It's just on me. I wash my hair 3 times and then condition. So I will do a clarifying shampoo to get any of the oils out of my hair first, which I use Suave, the regular clarifying one. It's a blue shampoo, and I think it's like $2. So I'll just do that for a little pre-shampooing, I guess. And then I will go in with one of these 2 for my after I rinse it out, my second shampoo. So I like to use this one, the Biotin and Collagen shampoo. I get the big one, and I get mine from Walmart. You can get it from Target. These are about maybe $5 for this big thing, it smells so good, and it lasts so long. This one, 0, all of this, all on the bottom. So I love this one, and of course Biotin. Now I can't take Biotin pills because Biotin pills makes me break out, and I know it's very common with a lot of people that take Biotin pills, but I'm one of them. So that'll be my second shampoo. Or so I walked into Sally's before this quarantine thing, so maybe like 2 months ago, and I was like, I'm looking for a new shampoo, something to help me with my hair, you know, because I had just cut it. So something to help it grow and all this stuff. So a lady right away was like, Maine. And I said, Maine? She goes, yeah, the Maine Choice. And I said, okay. I didn't know that was a brand, because I also use Mane and Tail shampoo, which is that horse shampoo that everybody uses. And you can find it in shampoo aisle, or it's for horses. So you can use it it's in the animal section also. But I've been using that for years. A lot of people use it. YouTube that video or those videos on Mane and Tail. It's a great shampoo. So when she said the Mane, I was like, did she say Mane and Tail? But I was like, okay, so where is it? And then it's this one. So it's called the Mane Choice, and I actually really like it. Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote. So she swore by this. Mind you, the lady had thick hair, so I was like, but she said she uses it also. And then she referred me to the oil, which is a growth oil. Oops, sorry. The Mane Choice growth oil, which I've been using this also. I actually use it a lot, and it's like, you see how tall it is? You see how full it is? And this one too. So a little goes a long way. These are kind of expensive. I think this was 11 something, and this one also, but then I think there was a buy one get one free at the time. Oh no, I used my sister's code. I used her phone number and it gave me the code. So yeah, these are about 11, 12 bucks each individually. But again, it's worth it because I've had this already now 2 months, and I use it and it's literally still right here. So a little goes a long way. Same with the oil. So I'll break that down to you, how to use the oil. And then conditioner, I will do either, because I like to do the deep hair conditioning mask. So my favorite, of course, would be, instead of regular conditioner, I use the 3-Minute Miracle, the Aussie, which is very popular. Everybody uses it, and it smells so good. It smells like coconut, sorry. I just came out the shower, so these things are wet. And then every other wash, so if I wash, let's say on a Tuesday, then I'll use this for my conditioner. And then if I wash again on a Thursday or Friday, then I will use this one, which is a silicone mix. And this one smells like a salon. Like, I'm from New York, so I used to go every 2 weeks to a salon, and Dominican ladies would always do my hair, and this reminds me of that smell that I'm like my childhood, just a typical day going to the salon, like a weekend, which I love. So this, oh my gosh, and it leaves your hair so soft and manageable, and wow, I'm obsessed with this one. Also, I used to use this hair mask from Macadamia, but they discontinued it. I happened to, when I went to Sally's and bought the oil and the shampoo, I was checking out and I seen that they had the sample ones of the ones I used to buy. So I got excited and I was like, where are these? And she said, no, they discontinued the jars that I used to buy of these, but they still had the samples. So I said, okay. So I ended up getting like, I don't know, maybe 8 or 10 of these samples. So, which I used today. I used this one today, so yeah. Okay, so that was shampoos and how I deep condition, I guess, or condition my ends. And then, so when I shampoo, I only shampoo the roots. I do not put shampoo on my ends. I actually take my ends and I make sure they're squeezed out, that no shampoo's on it. And then I would do the conditioner only in the bottoms. So, but when I use this, I do it a little different. Let's get into how I do my mask. When I do a deep conditioning mask like this, because I don't use this as a regular conditioner, this one I will wash my hair the 3 times, get out the shower, get dressed or whatever, so my hair is still just shampooed. I'll make sure it's just towel dried, and then I will put this on. After I put this on throughout my whole head, like literally every strand I put it through, then I put on, I don't have a sit underneath dryer thing, however I do have it's called a Softhood. So this, love it. So this, if you can see, you literally attach your blow dryer to the bottom and it puts the heat going up right around your head. Let me show you. So this is, I think, $20 from Sally. So it comes in a box, and it comes in a bag, and then it comes in another bag, and it literally just, it's super cute. Yeah, I love this thing. But yeah, so you put it on. Oh, so after I have this in my hair, I always put a plastic bag on my head, so this way my head generates its own heat. So I'll do that. I'll have the plastic bag over my hair with this inside, and then I'll put the cap on. I'll put my blow dryer to it, and I usually lay the blow dryer on the bed, which gives me time to do whatever, whether I'm like doing my Kenzie or I'm painting my nails or whatever it is, because my hair still, it's underneath the cap. You know what I mean? So pretty convenient for those that like their hair, like to feel like the product is getting through. I love this cap. $20, guys. I paid for it at Sally's. Okay, so after I wash, okay, so let's just say I'm on the 3rd day or 2nd day hair and I don't want to wash it. I am not a fan of dry shampoo. However, I do have dry shampoo. I'm just not a fan of it. I feel like dry shampoo rips my hair out, and I know a lot of people feel the same way, but it does. I feel the not kinkiness, but I'll feel it like thicken my hair, and if I go to comb my hair, I feel like it tugs, like it yanks at my hair. So I'm not a big fan of it, but if I do use it, I will use the Dove. Usually I get, this is it. I thought it was a darker blue, but this one's a purple, for volume and fullness, but I love the Dove one. So yeah, this one's pretty full because again, I barely use it, but it's there just in case. Now, my hair is naturally curly. So if I do have it curly and I'm not going to do like blow it out or flat iron it, then I will just put in the Garnier Curl Nourisher leave-in treatment. And this smells good. You see it's coconuts on the front and shea butter. And you air dry it. So yeah, I'll put this in my hair, you know, like crunching it out. I don't really have a review on it because I barely put my hair curly. Where I live, it's very humid, so if I do put it curly, then I will put this in. Hairspray. This is my favorite hairspray. The only hairspray that I will use, that I will forever use. I think this is 15 bucks or so. Yeah, it's extra hold, yet it's not a hold. You can still move it around when you put it in. You can comb through it. It doesn't leave your hair crunchy. I love this stuff. This is my go-to hairspray. Love it. So as far as oils, I will try to oil my hair maybe twice a month. I'll do it. And when I do, I use Jamaican black castor oil. Now I have with peppermint, and I also have the one without peppermint. It doesn't matter which one. I usually put a little bit of this in a bowl and heat it up. Sometimes with coconut oil I will do, but I like to put it in for at least 30 seconds in the microwave so that it's warm when I'm massaging it into my scalp, and you feel the tingling. It feels so good. But this has helped me, like you'll see little baby hair start growing in. This has helped like any thin spots that you feel. When I use this oil, I will, the lady in Sally's told me, she told me to put it, she did tell me it's very oily, of course, because it's oil. But she said apply a little bit to my fingers and then rub it through my hair. But with my hair already getting oily, I like to do this in my hair. I'll leave it overnight, the night before I'm going to wash my hair. So I'll have it in my hair, I'll put it at night, and then I'll put it in like a high bun. And then in the morning when I go shower, I'll wash it out. So I'll let it work that way, but I will not leave the house with this stuff in my hair. I guess someone that has thicker hair can do that, but I can't because my hair is already oily as it is. So, but I do like this. I also get a little bit of tingling feeling, which I like that. I always feel like whether it is or not, mentally, I feel like my hair is growing. So, or that it's doing its job. I'm going to keep giving this one a try. Maybe I'll do like a 6-month review on this one. I haven't had it too long yet, so like to give an honest like a review on it. So let's just see. I'll let you know. Okay, so my last thing is hair dye. I've never gone to a salon to get my hair dyed, and I only got my hair cut one time when I first moved here to get my hair cut, and I hated it. I hated it. They cut off so much. It was super short. I was so upset. So I do not go to a hair salon to get my hair cut nor dye. But when I do dye my hair, I don't go expensive. It's just to cover my grays, because yes, I do have grays. And I usually look, I don't even know what number I use, but I'll use the Revlon one because this one's like $3. And I'll leave it on maybe 20 minutes. And it's just, again, to get my spots of my grays. And then that's it. But as far as which number, I go with whichever one says brown or dark brown or medium brown, or summertime I might do golden brown or something. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm at the point that I just recognize their face and I'm like, oh, that's who I use. I don't even know the number. Nothing special about it. I know everybody's opposed to box hair dyes. I know they're bad, but it's just to do a quick fix, and that is it at a cheap price. So that is pretty much it with my hair care video. I hope this, oh, just kidding. For blow dryer, when I'm blow drying my hair, my blow dryer is a twin turbo, which I will also link it down below so you can see which one I use. I love it. My hair, like I said, is thin, so I can literally blow my hair out in about 5 minutes with it because it gives high heat and it's just fast. It does the job. I also use heat tamer before I blow my hair out, and if I do, it is the Tresemme. I've been using this for years. I don't go heavy on it, but just again to do the job, because all these heat products, all these heat tools are very damaging. So definitely use a heat tamer. And then I will use I've had this for years, a cheap little Remington flat iron that I got from Target, maybe 20-30 bucks, not really sure. Again, it was years ago, but still does a job. I just do quick little waves with it, or whatever this is you want to call it. And yeah, so my stuff is pretty inexpensive. I forgot to tell you about the holy grail of hair care, dude. So this baby, OMG. So this is a shampoo brush, if you can see it. This, while you're in the shower, you just do this in circles, I am so obsessed with the shampoo brush. So as you know, with your fingers, you could only do so much like this, but these little teeth, these little teeth get into, it feels like into each little pore or whatever it's called, each hair follicle, hole, sprout. And oh my gosh, you really feel like your hair got cleaned 5 times better than you would have done with, you know, just doing it with your fingers. But this thing, guys, I got this from Sally's. I think it was like $3, but my husband also has one. And I don't know, I might just get my family these for Christmas. That's it. Surprise, guys. But yeah, guys, you have to get a shampoo brush. Your local beauty supply has them. There's nothing like it. You won't feel like you washed your hair. If you don't use this, you won't feel the same way again. You'll still feel like there's dirt and buildup in your hair if you do not use a shampoo brush. Guys, go get it. Whenever I look for a video on a product, I always check out the girl's hair. Like, if she has thick, long hair, I'm like, okay, she's not for me. I'm not gonna watch that one. If she has thin, medium hair, I'll watch it. Obviously, if she has more coarse hair, not for me. So the results of these products will be different on their hair versus mine. So just before you look at any or go for any product, when you're looking for the video, look for your type of hair, because if not, then you're not gonna get the same results. That's just my opinion. That's how I do my reviews on products. And yeah, so all right guys, well that's it to this video, all of my hair care. This was pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed all the products that I showed today. Try them out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.